How to cancel an order on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel an order on Shopee. First of all, open up Google Chrome. Search for Shopee Login. Now go to the Shopee website. Log in to your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right. Now click on the Settings option. Now click on Help Center. Here you can contact the Shopee customer service with your problems. Now search for How do I cancel my order? Here you can see how to cancel your order. Click on Can I cancel my order? You have to do what is mentioned here in order to cancel your order. Read the instructions carefully and follow them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.